Okay, let's see how many locks I can get picked before I get a house or a car unlocked. Okay, I got Funky by Potti. It's an Avis 5-pin, works really smooth. There's the bidding. Bobby Keyz sent me the lock, so thanks, Bobby. So, got a little play, and it is locked, as you can see. It's my turn. Alright, got a pretty good false set there. And we're open. Pretty good little pick. Zoom out. And we'll go ahead and turn it up right. And let me grab my little Huck Euro pinning kit that I bought a while back. I love this little kit. Some people don't care much for it, but I like it when it comes to gutting Euros for sure. And that's how that comes out. I don't use it for everyday locks, but I sure do use it for this because it just makes it that much easier to gut. Just that simple. I mean, you gotta love something that simple. Alright, so 5-pin. Get down there. You can see 4 and 5. Looks like a little counter mill going on there. Looks like it's got one serrated line on top, but other than that it's standards. That one looks like it's got the line on top of it too. Standard Avis key pins. I get the key set with the tag. Don't guess I'm gonna get it good enough. That's why they're bigger. 4 and 5's threaded. And pull that out. Pin and pin. With a wafer in the back. A spool. Another pin and pin. And it was in there like that. Serrated. Looks like a key pin though. That one's that one. I can't get. Nope. That one had a wafer too. Another serrated. And there's. Oop. It's number 1. And I see number 5 now. There it is. Alright. Nothing's been done, I don't believe, because the caps are still in. So here is this Avis 5-pin funky lock by Potti314. Alright, everyone, be good, be safe, be legal. As always, have a good one. Thanks for the lock, Bobby. And let me see if I can pick some more real quick. Thanks, guys.